Good morning, students. Good morning, 8th standard. Welcome you all in history period once again. Okay. On Saturday, we had revised lesson number 3, effects of British rule. Okay. And also we have written some fill in the blanks. Right? Now, today we have to write, name the following, then answer the following question in one sentence, as well as complete the concept map. Okay, means today we have to write 3 questions. Let's start writing. Okay. Name the following. Number 1. Number 1. He started subsidiary alliance. Lord Wellesley. Number 2. First Governor General according to the Regulating Act. First Governor General. First Governor General according to according to the Regulating Act. Lord Warren Hastings. Answer is Lord Warren Hastings. Number 3. He started dual government system in Bengal. He started dual government system in Bengal. He started dual government system in Bengal. Robert Clive. Number 4. Recommended English education in India. Lord Macleay. And last one. Lawyer officer at Chhatrapati Pratapgarh. Lawyer officer छत्रपति छत्रपति प्रताप सिंह लॉयल ऑफिसर ऑफ छत्रपति प्रताप सिंह रंगो बापूजी गुप्ते Loyal officer of Chhatrapati Pratap Singh, Rango Bapuji Gupte. Okay. See once here. Once again, see on the blackboard. Name the following. One number one. He started subsidiary alliance, and the answer is Lord Wellesley. Okay. Number two. First Governor General according to the Regulating Act. Answer is Lord Warren Hastings. Number three. He started dual government system in Bengal. Answer is Robert Clive. Number four, recommended English education in India. Answer is Lord Macaulay. And number five, loyal officer of Chhatrapati Pratap Singh. And the answer is Rango Bapuji Gupte. Okay. And here our question is over. Day before yesterday, that is Saturday, we had written some in the blanks. I had given you as a homework. Now check your answer one by one. Okay. Dash was the main center of British. Dash was the main center of British in Western India, and the answer is Mumbai. Okay, and the answer is Mumbai. And number five, next number, with the Treaty of Dash in 1872, the first Anglo-Maratha war came to an end. And the answer is Salbai. Salbai ki treaty. Okay, with the Treaty of Salbai. SLBAI. Next number, in 1848, Lord Dalhousie rejected the adoption policy and annexed the state of Satara. What is the answer? Satara. Okay. Then a committee was set up to create a code of law under the leadership of Lord Macaulay. Answer is Lord Macaulay. Check your answer. Then next, Dash started the first textile mill in 1853 at Mumbai. Answer is Kawaji Nanbar Davar. DAVAR. KAWASJEE. Kawaji Nanbar Davar. And then last one, the first jute mill was set up at Dash in Bengal. Answer is Rishra. 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 Okay. Finish. Here over. Fill in the blanks. Also finish and name the following also. And now we move towards answering one sentence. Okay. But before that, I think we have to. So I want to give you homework. आपको एक होमवर्क देती हूँ दो कंप्लीट द कंसेप्ट ड्राफ्ट ये 2 होमवर्क है आपके लिए एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस ओके complete the concept map. Complete the concept map. Number 1. The European powers in India. The European powers in India. You have to make the diagram as same. जैसे डायग्राम मैंने जैसे निकाला है ना मैंने, वैसे सेम डायग्राम आपको कॉपी में ड्रॉ करनी है. ओके. Number 2. This is your homework. Huh? This is your homework. Tomorrow I will tell you the answer. Don't forget to write homework. Okay. This is your homework. Next number. Modern means of transport and communication introduced by the British. See the question. Modern means of transport and communication introduced by the British. Here number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Clear? Fine. Now answer in one sentence. Right answer in one sentence. How were the officers? How were the officers in the administrative services? In the administrative services, appointed see the question. How were the officers in the administrative services appointed? And answer is the officers in the administrative services were appointed through PHROUG Act, through competitive examination known as Indian Civil Services, known as Indian Civil Services. Here our answer number 1 is over. Now second. Which principle was introduced by the British in the administrative of justice? Which principle was introduced by the British in the administrative of justice? The British introduced the British introduced the principle of equality before law. Equality before law. In the administration of justice, all over British India. All over British India. Here our second answer is over. Okay. Now, next number. Where were the universities established in 1857? Number 3. Where the universities established in 1857. The universities were established in Mumbai, Kolkata, and Madras. Chennai in 1857. Here our answer is finished. Okay, students. See you once again. See the question number 2. Which principle was introduced by the British in the administrative of justice? The British introduced the principle principle of equality before law in the administration of justice all over British India. And next question, where were the universities established in 1857? The answer is the universities were established in Mumbai, Kolkata, and Madras. That means Chennai in 1857. Okay. Now our time is over. Okay. Sorry, period is over. And in the next period, we will write the remaining question answers. Okay. Solve your homework and take care. Bye-bye.